Hello everyone, my name is MD Mursalinjoy Manik. I am a student of the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering at Daffodil International University. My student ID is 241336160 and I am currently studying in Level 3 Term 2. Before joining Daffodil International University, I completed uh, my secondary school certificate from Kaliganj High School and earned my diploma in engineering from Rangpur Ideal Institute of Technology. Since its beginning of my academic journey, I have been passionate about engineering and technology. I always try to improve my technology knowledge through practical learning, project work, and extracurriculum activities. Throughout my studies, I have completed several hands-on engineering projects. My notable project included a custom-built 220 VA power transformer, a 7-segment display decoder, a fire alarm system, a radio communication system, and a lumen stabilizer lighting system. I have also worked on robotics project including a line following robot and a beam robot capable of autonomous movement and outstable avoidance. In addition, I have developed practical skill in AutoCAD throughout designing building floor plans, CCTV surveillance layout, fire alarm system, and safety and security system design. This project, my problem solving ability, technical knowledge, and understanding of real world engineering applications. Alongside my academic activities, I actively participate in student organizations. I currently serving a graphic designer for the IEEE IAS DIU student branch chapter and the IEEE DIU student branch. Throughout those roles, I design event posters, promotional materials, and social media content for various technical and professional events. Previously, I also served as a graphics designer at the DIU Robotics Club. This experience have helped me improve my creativity, teamwork, communication skill, and leadership active abilities. Technology plays a vital role in modern engineering education. As an triple E student, I regularly use computers for report writing, presentation preparation, technical documentation, research work, graphics design, and project development. Currently, I use a Dell Inspiron 153000 laptop that I purchased in February 2021. After years of continuous use, the device has become outdated and often struggles to handle multiple academic and technical tasks efficiently. A new laptop would greatly support my studies, project work, and extracurriculum responsibilities. It would help me work more efficiently, improve my productivity, and continue developing the technical and professional skills required for my future career as an engineer. Thank you for your valuable time and consideration. I sincerely appreciate this opportunity and look forward to continue my academic journey while contributing positively to the DOA community. Thank you.